Okay, so if you've got a Casita travel trailer, this might be of interest to you. This specific keyless entry system, I think it's amazing. It installed in about, well, it would have been about 10 minutes if I wasn't bumbling around and enjoying my Friday evening here. But this specific model I got off of Amazon for just over $100. It was $110. I think it's on sale right now with like a $10 coupon for about $100. The link to this specific model is in the description if you're interested, but I highly recommend it. Lines right up. It's left-handed, or the orientation is correct for the door and everything. And I just think it's sharp and super high quality overall. It comes with 2 wireless key fobs and just fantastic. I'm absolutely in love with this. So now we can lock the unit up, walk away, and not worry about any vagrants spending the night while it's parked on our property, or if we're going for a walk or we're camping, just go ahead and quick push a button. So it's a huge step up from the keyed entry only, but it does also have a backup key slot here. And yeah, just super impressed. I know there are other options for this. I know the newer model Casitas, when you buy them new, do come with a system, but I think this is even better, honestly, overall, as far as like form and function goes. And just yeah, so check it out. In this video I will show you how I installed it clumsily. Today's the day. Got a keyless entry system. It's hopefully going on this Casita. This is a 2014 Spirit Deluxe. Let's see how it goes. So here we got our 4 AA's installed. Okay, so let's get the old one off first here. It's got a perimeter of silicone on the outside. It doesn't look like it'll be necessary on the new one because it's got a nice gasket. This door came with a nice little set of tools to install it, but it also looks like it came with a, assuming that this little guitar pick guy, spudger, to remove the original silicone seal. If not, I might bust out the knife. This doesn't actually help. Oh, there she goes. Okay, there's the old one out. I should probably clean up this silicone. This scraper, but I'll try it a little bit to see if it starts to cut into the paint, then I'll end up using this plastic version. You can't really beat the metal one. Plus this area will be hidden anyways, so I guess who cares if it gets a little scratched up. I kind of want to make sure I remove as much of this as I can because it'll affect how well the gasket on the new one is able to sit flush with the body. Now let's see. So here's the new one. It's got 4 Allen key screws holding it together. Okay, take this half. Okay, it's actually so close that I think I just have to remove just a tad just to get around the corner. It's like the exact size it needs to be, but I need to be able to get around this corner here. Got a Dremel. I've got this gnarly saw. Probably use the gnarly saw just to get the job done a little faster. So close. We're only off by like a 1/8 of an inch. Let's see. Oh, there we go. All right. Looks good. Screw the other side in. Okay, so I've got everything installed here. Here it is from the back. Here it is from the front. I think it's a very clean looking little system. It's got a silicone cover over the keyhole or physical key. It's got a physical lock here just to keep this latched if you're, I don't know, I guess if you just want to fool people, or if you want to keep it from getting accidentally pulled on. But that's just a little temporary thing, so anybody can twist that. Basically, when it's closed, you can just press the logo button there. It's locked. The default password is 1 2 3 4 5. You have to hit the check mark. It's making some beeps to confirm. Here on the back side, it's got some like administrative buttons. The light, I think, just turns the light on and off on the keypad there. Mute for the beep. The lock unlock is so that you can basically keep people from messing with these buttons if you're coming and going. It kind of just locks like the administrative stuff. If you click reset 3 times, it'll reset the thing to default state. The only catch, so we lined up perfectly on our deadbolt opening. We lined up perfectly on the front here. The only thing is that the handle and the lock here protrude enough that this guy cannot be slid shut when you close it. Otherwise, it's a perfect fit. I did have to adjust this strike plate just a tad. Let's see. So let's go in here and take a look at so it comes with a couple key fobs, and these are actually really high quality little bit of kit. It's super heavy. This thing is just like a solid block. So this is obviously a manual override for if your battery dies, or if I don't know, you forget your passcode, and this isn't working either. But this works just like that. One click, easy enough. And you do have to pair the remotes. So I haven't done the pairing process with this one yet. So let's see. Maybe it just works out already. And look at that, it's even got a light on it. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that red, green, beautiful. Okay, so this one's not paired. So the process for pairing looks like this. You hit enter your code, 1 2 3 4 5, check. And then you're gonna hit set 3 times. 3 times. Then you're gonna just press and hold one of these buttons. Maybe just press it. Not sure if that took or not. It says you can press either button. Let's try that again. 1 2 3. There we go. I heard it click. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And then to change the default password, you go with I think it was. I better read the instructions again. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. It says program your keypad, hit set once. Oh, okay, so you only hit set once. Same thing, but just push it once and then enter your new code twice. So let's do a test here. Let's do 1 2 3 4 5. Check. Set. And here, beep. Now let's try a new password. There we we go. So you enter it once, hit the check mark, enter it again, hit the check mark. And now we'll lock it, yank it in. Perfect. Simple as that. Manual override, and I'd say that is a success. Check my description here for a link to this specific model. There were a few that I know for a fact, after seeing some reviews and people commenting on them, that they did not fit the Casita out of the box and they had to do a lot more modification. In this case, I had to do barely any modification. I had to carve out just a tad of this panel here just at the corners, and I'm sure on some Casitas that's probably not even going to be the case. It's just that the cutout for this one was so tight, but otherwise it's a perfect fit, and it feels really high quality, and the remotes are really substantial. So so far I recommend it.